What's up, everybody, and welcome to another episode of How to Draw. And today we are going to be drawing a watermelon. Watermelon is a great fruit to both eat and draw. I enjoy a good piece of watermelon myself. Also cantaloupe, despite its restrictions. Cantaloupe? Speaking of cantaloupe, why did the cantaloupe jump in the pool? Because he wanted to become a watermelon. Okay, so grab your pencil, paper, pen, marker, crayon, whatever you got laying around so you can follow along as we draw this wonderful, sweet, delicious fruit. Let's get started. Beethoven! Good. Now that we have Beethoven's Fifth Symphony going on, we can start with a triangle. Excellent for the shape of the watermelon. And his arm. And another arm. And a leg. And a foot. And another leg. And a foot. And that is our rough sketch. Now we can go in with the outline. Just following along our rough sketch, drawing the shape of a watermelon. What is Beethoven's favorite fruit? Banana. Okay. Now finish making the watermelon a little bit 3D. And there you have it. Now a body. And we'll follow the guidelines we did earlier and make his arms and legs sort of into tubes. So he'll have tube arms and tube legs. So just big, tubey legs and arms for now. Tubes. 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 All tubes. And now we are ready for the line work. Time to ink our watermelon man. Watermelon man. We are just following along now, going slowly, cleaning up the lines that we already did. Now cleaning up his rind, which is sort of like his chin. And I bet you did not know this, but he's a classy watermelon man. So we'll give him a collar and a V-neck and another collar. All right, now for the shoulder and the arm. Just following the lines that we did, like always. And there you have it, a hand. Some fingers for our watermelon man. And another arm for our watermelon man. Good. Very nice. His shirt. And let's do his hand. Give him a hand, everybody. Give him a hand. Help him out. And give him a hand. And that's a good looking hand. Now for the legs. His pants, well, they are a little bit baggy because, you know, he can't really find the proper size inseam when he goes to the pants store. So he gets them a little bit longer than he should, but it's okay. They bunch up at the bottom, and that makes him look cool. He's a cool man, cool watermelon man, with his baggy pants. Do you remember that? Baggy pants? Did anybody have Jenkos? Does anybody remember Jenkos? They're not that baggy, but, you know, those were super baggy. I had a pair of those. And some creases. They were ridiculous. You could put a 2-liter in the back pocket. And some cartoon shoelaces. I'm getting off track. And the middle of his shirt. And a pocket. A nice, classy pocket. And there you have it. The body is done. Now moving on to his head, we'll give him seeds, which are little ovals, little teardrop, raindrop shapes. Unfortunately, he's not seedless. He has seeds. But that's because he's all natural. And I don't really know much about watermelon, but we'll give him eyes now. Good set of eyes. And a little tiny nose. And a mouth. He's very excited, very happy. Happy to be here. He's just happy to be here. And lips. Good set of lips. And some nice, healthy teeth. Little tongue. And his pupils. Feel free to experiment with your watermelon man and give him different expressions or draw him with his mouth closed or whatever you want. He's your watermelon man. And now it's time to have a little fun and relax. What does Watermelon Man do to have a little fun and relax after a hard day of work? Well, he watches a little bit of the Boob Tube. And there are many programs on the Boob Tube these days. So, what program is Watermelon Man's favorite show? Well, he has very specific taste, and being that he is produce, he likes a certain show that is available on YouTube. He likes it, and you can go check it out too. Just search for it in the search bar. It's one of his favorite shows. He tunes into it all the time to find out all of the latest news in the world of produce. And it is called The Produce Industry Show. So go check it out. Uh-oh, the music is crescendoing, so we must be getting close to the end. So I will quickly color him in. You can color him at home as well, any color you desire. Choose your colors and color in your Watermelon Man however your heart desires. And when we are finished, that is it. Done. We drew a Watermelon Man. Congratulations! Thank you for following along with me this far. Keep drawing, have fun with it, and we're done.